Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So are you excited or not to learn something new with me? And with this video you can see also I am teaching you something new. I hope you all are doing good. So let's see start. So today I am very happy because in this video I am going to teach you how to do face makeup step by step. Okay, so please watch till end. And if you like my video, so please like here, comment and subscribe my channel. So you can see I am using Flicka moisturizer. It is amazing. You also see more many makeup artists, very famous makeup artists use this Flicka moisturizer. It is very good. So if you want and get flawless makeup, so use this moisturizer. It is super hydrated and two in one. It is two in one. There is moisturizer and primer, both are doing same work. This time is very summer, summer is very dehydrated. Do your skin, so please take much more water, drink more and more water. That's why your skin will be hydrated and you get flawless base. So don't forget drink water. If you are a beginner, then this video is perfect for you. Don't worry if you don't know anything about the makeup. Today I will explain everything in a very simple way. I will also show you where to apply every product and how to blend it properly. You can see I am blending here, so you can see. So keep watching till end and let's enjoy. So you can see now I will apply foundation. Foundation help to make our skin tone look even. You can see also my base even tone is, it is very create even tone. Okay, so a foundation help to make our skin tone look even. So you can see, choose a foundation that match your skin color. Never apply very fair and very dusky. You can apply your skin tone, not use much more heavy thick. Okay, so you can see, don't choose a foundation that is too white. Okay, don't choose a foundation that it is too dark. Okay, so please attention that thing. Always match it with your neck. If you want your foundation will be you don't know how to match, when you apply first neck, after that you apply face and neck will be same tone. Okay, so you can if you don't know, so you check your neck. Now I am talking one pump of foundation. I will use see, I take not much more, I take only one pump. So now I am making small dots and face apply. So don't skip anything. Some dots on both cheeks when you apply even tone, even foundation. Not there one side is much more, one side is very thin layer. Please skip and apply gently and massage. Don't massage it, apply only dab beauty blender. You can use makeup sponge or beauty blender, or you can use foundation brush if you want to. So today I am using pump and makeup sponge, not I am using a beauty blender. Remember one thing, never drag the sponge, never drag the beauty blender. Now we will set the base. So for this we use loose powder. Powder help the makeup stay in place. It also control oil. Take a powder puff, or if you want to brush, you can take a small amount the powder of powder, a tap of the extra product. Now press the powder under the eyes. First of all under eyes, press on the forehead first. If you want forehead and nose and chin, don't dub, just press gently. It will lock your face. Now your base makeup is ready. So you can see here, now our base makeup is ready. Take a close look. This is the correct base before contour and blush. Now we are going to the learn contour. Okay, so let's start and see. This is one of the most important step. Don't skip this one. Okay, many beginners get confused, but don't worry, today I will make it very easy. You can see I'm contouring here. So what is contour? You don't know? Contour creates shadow. It gives shape to your face. Okay, it make the face look slimmer. You can know slimmer. It define your features. Now I am showing you the contour product. You can use a creamy contour. I am using here creamy contour, or you can, if you want, you can use powder contour also. So now I'm using creamy contour first, after I'm using powder contour. Take a very small amount contour. Less is always better. You can build the color contour later. Now look carefully. The first area is the cheekbone. I am using a cheekbone. Fill your cheekbone with your fingers. Now make a small line just below the cheekbone. Start near the ear. Don't bring the line till the mouth. Okay, stop around the middle of the cheek. This is enough. Now do the small or on the other side. See both sides carefully. Keep both line at the same level. Now I am applying contour on the forehead. If you have a broad forehead, apply contour near the hairline. It this make the forehead looks smaller. Now I'm applying the contour on jawline. This gives a sharp jawline. Apply the light line under the jaw. You can see. So our contour is complete. Now we will move the blush. Okay, you can see blush give a contour to the face. With the blush, the face can look flat. You can see blush make the face look fresh, healthy and beautiful. Today I am using the soft pink blush. You can also use peach or coral, and if you want rose contour, you can also use. Choose a shadow that matches your skin tone. Now smile a little. When you smile, you can see the applies your cheeks. This is a correct place to start. Take a small amount of blush and now on your face, tap off the, so you can see I'm using highlighter also. So now it is the blending time. You when if always you remember, then you apply the blush and highlighter and contour. So I'm taking a brush and using here, I'm gently like blending here. So you can see when you place, never spread everywhere. When you apply, that time there you blend there. Okay, so I'm using here. So you can see both are both side has difference. Like one side, then I create shadow that like similar. So it's like very flatty and is slim face, you can see. So when you blending there, gently blend, don't drag and don't much more fast. So you can see I'm blending like only brush. I'm not using here brush, sorry, beauty blender. I'm using also only brush. So you can see, don't confuse, and I'm also confusing here brush and blush. Sorry guys. So you can see I'm blending like highlighting. Then so it is create a highlighting point and very sharpness jawline. You can see, oh my god, it is amazing. You can see also when I'm blending. So at that time I'm asking something, guys, like are you like, if are you understanding my English, understand or not? Please comment and tell me like your English, how is level of your English. So comment, okay, how much like if you want to something new learning with me. And you can see also you enjoy this video. I'm blending here very slowly and very enjoying. So I like blend, I like makeup. So you can see it's very sharp. Are you understanding or not? Please tell me. Because of you I'm like I'm making video like you, because you understand very well. So that's why I am sharpening and I show you everything where you place highlighting, contour and blush. Always guys, always guys, you are confused which place you do contour, which place you do blush, and which place you do highlighting. So maybe your confusion today is remove your mind from your mind. So if your mind is understand everything, so please tell me and enjoy and like. If you don't know what are you want, what is going from you, like if you like my video, so I don't worry. So you can see I'm like blending, highlighting when eyes corner and under eyes. I am blending gently, and it is very last my last one blending. Because of highlighting I'm blending like very in last part, because it is create my features is very beautiful and very amazing. If you have know about the features, if you sharp, if you want to show your features will be sharp, so you do like same things I'm doing here. So you can see. And if you want to connect me like in Instagram, so my Instagram ID Glowish TV, you see there many more things I'm creating. So you, if you want, follow me, you can see I'm doing. And one thing I want to something like asking, one thing I'm asking. So please comment me which things do you like with me, like in me, which like one things everyone have one things very like good things. Every person has one good things, but what in my life, what is one things good? If you know about that, like what you want to like understand. And if you want to understand, like I want to say something like what in my things, what is good. If you know, I'm like I don't know what is good in my hand, but one thing is good, like I this one is good. I love my makeup, and everyone I am helping every person. And what in your have, what you have good things, I have many more good things, like I am helping more people, I am learning, I'm teaching more student free of cost. It is good things for me. And what is in your have, I am boring here. Because of that I take much more time. So it is go time, because it is long video maybe. So let's see. Now it is my not final, but it is last touch up. Like you can see, wow, my features is very beautiful when you I'm applying like this. So I'm using here again powder. You know, like earlier I'm using powder, after that doing this thing. So I'm using here again powder. You take a powder puff and take little bit quantity, and using nose, chin, first of all using under eyes, after that nose and chin, everywhere you can use. So you can see one side is very oily and one side is very like not much more oily, one side is matte look. So what you like, matte look like you are oily and glossy? You tell me guys. My overall look is very beautiful, you can see also. So it is very natural, and I my features highlighted and contouring it. I'm using contour powder contour. It is powder contour. You are confused, creamy contour, after that you use powder contour? Yes baby, because of that I am height. When you apply the powder contour, it is very beautiful, showing your features. Now you can see first the creamy contour also doing like, but when you apply much more much more features highlighted if you want, so you can apply after powder contour. So you can see I'm using nose contour, and very nice and very beautiful. I am looking very beautiful. And are you like me or not? Comment here. So now you can see my nose is very much like very, it is very chippy, but abhi now it is standing. So you can see I'm using and blending perfectly. Don't dab and blending. If you don't blend much perfectly, it is very boring, and it is product is like putting one side. So don't do. You do contour everywhere. If you have broad forehead like me, I have broad forehead, so I'm contouring also that sides. You can see. And what you think, what do you think, what do you want? Please comment and follow me. If you want something, learn more things in this video, you follow me. If you want, I am using Hindi, so comment. If you like me, so please subscribe my channel. I am blushing powder blush. I am applying powder blush. You can see when you apply creamy brush, after that use powdery also, because of that it is very nice and looking beautiful. Then you apply both things, it is very amazing, and every features highlighted, and every features very glossy. And now here I'm using lip gloss, lipstick and lip gloss. Wow, very nice. So guys, please comment and tell me, are you like doing good or not? Are you like my video or not? I understand I am you are like much more my video, that's why I got more views after all, and you like me also. I'm skip here eye makeup. If you want learn eye makeup, so comment, and I give a short to eye makeup, and tell me, are you like my eye makeup? It is very nice and very perfectly. So are you like this video? Please comment or tell me what do you want, and what do you like next part, what do you things, what do you want to see. And if you like, so please comment. And my base is very flawless and highlighting. Wow, I want to something question. I have a question like, I want, are you like, do you like, which one is right? If you know about this, I know till. And if you come my video, like you watch like full video, and are you coming here last video you see, so please give me answer which one sentence is right. Are you like, do you like? I know about that because of it. Do you like my makeup? So if you like, comment and tell me. I want to give you something new things if you want. And I'm using here blush. Oh my god, my highlighting is very perfect. If so you like or not, how to understand? I am obsessed. Wow, very nice my look. Guys, you can see, and tell me like what are you doing right now, what are you so I know about that YouTube video is give a many more tutorial if you learn something new, and or things like very light makeup if you want to learn. So I have uploaded that video, you can see. And tell me guys, are you like or not? Do you like or not? I'm always I'm confused. So please, we will make next video. So take care, bye bye, and see you soon.